Bennett 52-inch Hunter fan with the light kit. And so there you see where we removed my old fan, which was pretty simple to do. That's my father-in-law. He's an electrician. I would advise you, if you're not keen on the electrical aspect of it, that you do not attempt to do this yourself. The assembling process was quite tedious, and with this fan, it didn't come with a hook that could help you, put it in place so that you could get all your wirings and everything connected. So therefore, he had to improvise. It did come with an extremely long screw, and so he chose not to use that with fear it may, pierce electrical units in the ceiling. So he had to improvise in order to secure it properly to the ceiling. And so far it's looking beautiful. He's attempting to assemble the blades right now. That's another thing. The blades did not come assembled, so we had to insert the rubber inside the blades in order for it to be screwed on the fan. And that part it will hurt your fingers, but it really wasn't complicated.
One of your lifelines. So you have 4 more. You have 4 more.
This process did take quite some time.
Kids only have 9 lives.
When you fell, how much time?
Yeah, RJ, you use about 500. Is there something you want him to get?
Yeah, I see. It's right.
RJ, go pick up what grandma.
Second stage is something to go.
You're putting it on YouTube?
I have to edit it first. Test my editing skills.
You know how to do that?
No. But I learned.
This process now, however, they definitely need a simpler solution for attaching this base part of the fan. It was extremely hard for him to, after they connected the 2 wires, it comes assembled in which you know where to attach it, but you have to snap this portion in, and let me tell you, you had to get it just right in order for it to be able to screw on. But once it got attached and the spring was secure, I have no idea how we would get this fan down in the future if need be. It's really on there securely. But I believe this portion could have been made a little simpler. The technique in which you have to snap it in was a little bit challenging. And there it is with the blades on. The blades, if you do not have slender arms, I recommend you get somebody with some small hands so that they could get the shades on and the bulbs in.
You can just turn
It's
on
very
the light
narrow to get it in there, but overall, it's absolutely gorgeous. And it comes with a remote, and the remote can be stuck on the wall or screwed on the wall. It comes with the batteries, the bulbs, and command strips for the remote, and that's what we chose to do instead of putting extra holes in the wall. So that's the finished product. It's gorgeous. Oh man, it has 3 settings to the fan, and let me tell you, the highest setting, make sure you anchor everything down. It's pretty powerful. The low setting is extremely low. The medium setting is, it's fair. You could definitely feel some cool breeze from that, but the third, it just takes off like an engine. And it's it's quiet. You can't really hear it unless it's on the highest setting. And the remote, it lights up when you change the setting, and it beeps. I guess to notify you if it's actually working. And you use the remote to turn the light on and off as well. All in all, I would recommend it. It's gorgeous.